Well, this is just a quick video today. The new Manawatu Gorge replacement road, the Manawatu-Tararua Highway, opened this week, so just going to check it out. And it seems like everybody has decided to check out the road this weekend. Never seen Woodville so busy. Mind you, that's a good sign for Woodville. So here we go, onto the new stretch of road. I think it's about 11 kilometres long, which is significantly shorter than the other routes. So as well as being called the Manawatu-Tararua Highway, also goes by the name of Turanga, which is the path of Turanga, which really refers to the gorge itself, but this is the road with that name now. Anyway, good to see there aren't any potholes yet. There's still plants growing up on the sides. They've obviously grown up a bit, but in a year or two, when everything's grown up, it should look quite nice. And obviously a huge amount of land had to be shifted to make way for this stuff. They had to get their bigger shovel out. I think they employed 2,500 people on this project, and it cost over $800 million. So quite an investment, quite an undertaking, but it's finally open. There's a lookout on the side, presumably to have a view of the wind turbines. And that's already full. So nice view going through all these wind turbines. It doesn't look like you get quite as close to them as you do on the saddle road, but still you probably get a better feeling of being amongst them. And nice view down over to the palmy side. So yeah, this route takes about 10 minutes to go across, which is probably half the time of the saddle road. So yeah, that's going to really make a difference. And of course this is going to be much better for heavy traffic, you know, trucks and buses and stuff, so it's going to make a big difference to shifting freight from one side of the country to the other. Yeah, that's quite a nice view down across there. It's nice seeing some sunshine. The river snaking off into the distance. Yes, again, this will definitely start looking nice over time when more of the plants have grown. I think they said that they'd planted over 2 million native plants as part of this project. Crossing over the gorge. Can't see that much down there, but that's where the road used to go. That was a nice road actually through the gorge. Anyway, that's one way down the road. So let's go around the roundabout and head back the other way. See what the view's like that direction. There we go, looking out the river. Still a bit chilly, but it's not a bad day now. Another small lookout here. Let's check this out. And again, that's pretty busy. Just park up here out of the way of the cars. I think after a few years people won't even realise the enormity of this project. Just the amount of land that was shifted to make the road go through here. It's probably all grown up with plants and looking a little bit more natural. See more of the wind farm off in the distance. It's actually pretty massive. So I think this section might actually look nicer coming in this direction toward Woodville. Although I guess from the other way you're looking down at Palmy. So that was quite a nice view as well. But the wind farm seems to look a little bit better from this way. And when they've got rid of all the machinery and workings, it will start looking better. Starting to see some of the view down to Woodville. Bit cloudier on this side of the hill, but yeah, there'll be some really good views on a nice day. And quite interesting the way they've done the embankments here. That they're planting up sections of it but leaving sort of cement stuff around the sides, So that could look quite interesting when that's all growing nicely. And another lookout on this side. Just talking to someone there, and they are doing some of the work on this road, on the stuff around the sides of the roads, not the road itself. They said they still got a bit of work to do on some of these lookouts and providing seating and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, still an ongoing project. So here, back down the Woodville side again. So yeah, that road is going to make quite a difference. So it just stops off at the Lindau Gallery. Really nice place, worth stopping, recommend it. But talking to some of the locals there, they are planning something good for their Christmas parade this year. The Christmas parade, they normally have to pay about $5,000 for traffic management, which they don't agree with. So they're going to protest it. And when you have a protest, the traffic management is free. So their protest is going to include the Christmas parade and another motorcycle event that goes through at the same time with about 300 motorbikes. So yeah, might come along and join in. That sounds good. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Just wanted to have a look at the road, nothing special. And most of you in this part of the world, looks like you've probably already gone over it because this has been so busy today. Lots of motorbikes. So good to see everybody's enjoying it. Anyway, I'll get back to one of my normal videos soon. Just finishing off the one I was hoping to do last week. But that's all for this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.